Shwmae, Croeso, Geraint Wilson Price Dwi, and I'm the director of the Gwent Welsh for Adults Centre. Welcome to your Mynediad Welsh course. Hopefully I can give you a few ideas on how things will turn out this year and a few hints on how you can help yourself to make the best of your course. To do this course, you'll need the Mynediad course book. First thing, could you please read The Hitchhiker's Guide to Learning Welsh, which is in the book. It gives you a good idea about how we see learning Welsh. During the first year, you'll be doing units 1 to 15, and the second year, units 15 to 30. Roughly, we do one unit every fortnight, and you'll be pleased to know that every fifth unit is a revision unit, a chance for you to go over all the things you've done in the last few weeks. Full details of the course content are in the contents page at the front of the course book. You start to speak Welsh from day one. Your tutor will teach you how to ask things in Welsh. Beth yw in Cymraeg, and ask what things mean in English, beth yw in Saesneg. You can use these sentences to ask for any information you need. You will also need the exercise pack as well for your homework every other week. Yes, I know homework, but it really will do you good. You should try and do something every day and make sure that you bring the homework in on time. You'll be given feedback on your homework so you'll know exactly how to improve your Welsh. Also, you will need the CD, which you can listen to anywhere, anytime. The more Welsh you hear, the more you will understand and the more you are able to speak Welsh. Also, if you use a smartphone, there is material available online as well, and everyone who uses a computer can access video presentations of all the units on the Bont website. Your tutor will be able to show you exactly how to find these. There will be drills in the book. These are repetitions of Welsh sentences which will you do in class before moving on to the activities. These are the basic building blocks of learning the Welsh language. They do include some grammar, but we don't make a big thing out about it. Well, what possibly could go wrong? Well, to be really honest, if you don't come to the lessons, you won't learn Welsh. Perhaps some of you had a hard time at school. Don't worry, we will not be telling you to be quiet. The emphasis is on having fun whilst you're learning Welsh. Some of you may have had reading, writing or other educational problems, perhaps at school or now. Your tutor can help you to give you any support. Some of you may have physical problems, perhaps getting around. Again, your tutor can help you. Your tutor will show you where to go and what to do should there be a fire or other emergency. Do you know where the fire exit is? Where does everyone meet up afterwards? Is there a first aid kit at reception? We want to keep you safe and sound. Your tutor will also confirm the dates of the course. Will there be a half-term break? When does the term end? Do you get a coffee break? Do you know where the tea bach is? Remember, if there's anything else we can do to help you settle in or feel safe in your learning environment, please discuss this with your tutor. Remember, this is your course. We hope that one of you in your class will take on the role of a class representative to listen to the opinions of all learners in the class and feedback to me and my staff at the Welsh for Adults Centre. There may well be questionnaires and possibly even an annual meeting with a very exciting buffet as a reward for your efforts. You may never know. Observers will call in every so often to see how things are going, and some will ask you for your opinion about the course as well as talking to the tutor. Try out your Welsh on them. They will be impressed. Remember, there is an exam available at the end of the second year. Not a school exam, but a chance for you to prove to yourself how much you have learned. If you're in the second year of the Mynediad course, it is well worth doing the exam. Your Welsh will improve greatly after doing it. To be honest again, you are the ones who have to do the work every day, and you will get out of it what you put into the course. We will ask you to set and review specific targets each term. We hope you will hit those targets and also that your tutor can help you hit those targets. You'll also see yourself improving each term, I can assure you of this. You may be learning for all kinds of reasons. your Mynediad coursebook includes additional material at the back for those who are perhaps learning for family reason or work reasons. You should also keep your own diary of success in your learning plan and note the time you get to visit informal learning sessions, perhaps a coffee morning or a day school or a weekend course. Remember, every little helps when you're learning Welsh. Towards the end of your course, your tutor will inform you of the next course available so that you know exactly where you're going on the following year. Remember, there is so much to gain from learning Welsh, and I can guarantee that you really will enjoy it. Now, that's about enough from me now. It's about time you started speaking Welsh, so over to your tutor for your first words of Welsh. But just remember, if you want to get in touch with the centre, our contact details are displayed here for you. Please feel free to contact the centre at any time. We at the Gwent Welsh Rydell Centre take pride in the fact that we live our motto, namely, our learners are at the centre of everything we do. Your tutor will also give you a point of contact as well, in case you need to contact him or her in an emergency. Pob hwyl a hwyl fawr.